You can run TimeCues Studio on your own machine or server. It ships as a set of small containers you bring up with Docker Compose. The core is always on, the web app and the analysis engines core-mir, mir-eval, and msaf. Stem separation and the 8 experimental model sidecars are opt-in, so a laptop can run the basics while a GPU box runs everything. Installing is a few lines. Clone the repository, change into it, copy the example environment file, setting your data directory in Google Client id, then Docker Compose up with build. Compose builds the images and starts every service. As it comes up, each container reports in core-mir, mir-eval, msaf, and the web server. When the web container is healthy, you open the printed URL and you are running. Compose profiles scale it up or down. The base command runs the core stack. Add the demucs-cpu profile for stem separation on any machine, demucs-gpu for a fast NVIDIA card, or experimental models to bring up the 8 sidecars.